You will find many inversions during your yoga practice, and it is important to know who should take caution during these poses. It could be you. What are inversions anyway? Coming up, I'm going to answer all these questions. Hi there, I'm Al from yogagangia.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Now don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. What are inversions in yoga? You get two types. You get the semi-inverted, which is when your head and heart is below your trunk. So for example, a forward fold, any forward bending. And then also in a semi-inverted is, for example, when the head and trunk is horizontal and the legs are raised higher than the trunk. For example, leg raises. And then you get full inversions. For example, headstands and handstands. Here you can see the preparation for headstand, which is a semi-inversion. And as you go into the full headstand, you will see the full inversion where the whole body is above the torso and the head. Who should take caution during inversions? Well, people with heart disease, high blood pressure, any severe back problems, ear infections, any disease of the brain, and of course if you're recovering from an injury or if you're recovering from an operation, and pregnancy. It does not mean you cannot do inversions. It just means that you should take caution, and how much caution you should take depends on the severity of your condition. Now let's get to the good part, the benefits. It is refreshing, revitalizing, and great for stress and anxiety. If you're at work and you feel stressed and overwhelmed, you can just fold forward and place your arms on your lap and let your head hang, and that will calm you down. If you are interested in doing yoga at work to calm you down, you can find a link on a video I made specifically for that up here or down below in the description box. The abdominal organs get a massage and help them to perform better. It stimulates your pituitary gland and tuning your endocrine system, which has a positive effect on your thought process and your metabolism. It stimulates the chakras and the kundalini for better concentration and meditation. The tip for today. Now, what do you do if you are not confident in doing inversions? You can soften that fear by practicing inversions for beginners every day. For example, down dog, some call it mountain pose, is a great beginner pose to practice to get used to your head being lower down than your torso, your trunk area. I will leave a link in the description box on how to do down dog mountain pose, and I will also leave a link up here. If you have some experience and you have a story how you deal with your fear going into inversion poses, please leave a comment below and let us know so that we all can learn together. I hope this video was informative. Now you can be safe during your inversions. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to give the like button a clickety-click if you like what you've heard. Thank you for watching. Ariom Tat Sat.